How to remove multi-account logins on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Simply switch on the account that you want to log out of. After you have switched your account, simply click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then in Settings and Activities, scroll down. Scroll down and then click on Log Out of all accounts. Click on Log Out and you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you have clicked on three dots at the top right, you will find all your accounts. Click on Remove Profiles and click on Remove the profile you want to remove, which is the multiple or second account. Then simply log into your account, and then this is how to remove multi-account logins on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.